has been more than just a car. It has been a trusted partner for drivers who value comfort, practicality, and timeless style. Now, as it nears its final chapter, there's a sense of nostalgia and appreciation for everything this iconic sedan has delivered. If you have ever admired a car built for everyday practicality with a touch of elegance, this may be your last chance to experience the Chevrolet Malibu's unique appeal. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu offers one final year of dependable performance and refined handling. Under its hood, it is equipped with a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine, capable of producing 160 horsepower, perfectly suited for a smooth, enjoyable daily drive. Paired with a continuously variable transmission, it directs power to the front wheels, making for a relaxed and comfortable ride. While the Malibu might not match sportier models like the Toyota Camry or Honda Accord in terms of speed, it has secured its place with a focus on reliability and ease of driving, attracting drivers who value balance and dependability over raw power. One of the key strengths of the Malibu lies in its smooth and stable handling. Though it may take nearly 8 seconds to accelerate to 60 miles per hour, this sedan prioritizes a refined driving experience. For families or drivers seeking a car that delivers stability and ease on the road, the Malibu is a satisfying choice. While other models such as the Hyundai Sonata N-Line and Kia K5 GT may pack in more horsepower, the Malibu creates a peaceful, comfortable drive, making it a true contender in terms of everyday comfort. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Malibu holds its ground with impressive ratings. Drivers can expect around 30 miles per gallon for combined city and highway driving, and up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Although rivals such as the Honda Accord or Toyota Camry may offer slightly better fuel efficiency, the Malibu's balanced performance makes it a competitive option for those who want to maximize their fuel economy without sacrificing comfort and reliability. Inside, the Malibu's cabin is crafted for both function and simplicity. The spacious and supportive front seats make long drives comfortable, while the rear seats provide ample room for most passengers. Although some competitors may offer more rear seat space, the Malibu's straightforward and user-friendly dashboard keeps everything within easy reach, with plenty of storage for everyday items, making it a practical choice for families and commuters alike. The 2025 Malibu comes with a starting price of $26,995 and can reach $32,695, depending on the trim level selected. The popular LT trim level includes features such as dual-zone climate control, remote engine start, and heated front seats. For drivers focused on safety, options like blind spot monitoring add an extra level of confidence on the road, making it a reliable choice for safety-conscious buyers. As we bid farewell to the Chevrolet Malibu, it remains a dependable, affordable family sedan, embodying Chevrolet's commitment to quality and comfort. While it may lack the flash and speed of some rivals, its emphasis on practicality, reliability, and comfort has made it a cherished choice over 6 decades, winning the hearts of drivers who appreciate a car that values stability over speed.